Okay, we have a Spider-Man basket for Demetrius. Get our list. And go live. 9:09. That is not the correct time. Let's refresh that. There we go. That's the right time. It was an old page open. Paste our list. Just so you see, it's now 9:10 on the stamp. The list looks good. Let's roll the dice. It's got to be 4 or higher. We got a 7. 9, 10. Roll our first time. You can see there's 25 items on the list. We went one time, 9, 10. And we got a 7. It's 2. It's 3. 4. 5. 6. You can see there's 25 items on the list. We have randomized 6 times. 9, 11. Dice calls for 7. This will be our final time. Good luck. Crystal Danielle, congratulations, you are the winner. There are 25 items on the list. We can see Crystal's on top. We have rolled 7 times. Dice calls for 7. 9, 11. Let's go get our last time stamp. $9.11. $9.12 now.